Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about CapCut video editing, and we cover many topics in CapCut, and now we are moving towards advanced topics. So in today's video I will teach you how you can remove green screen effect from your video, and you can also uh, remove the green background and change your background video or picture. So let's get started. So this is the CapCut PC, and here I want to edit. This is the software we used for this course. I am going to media, local, and I want to import this video. This is a green screen video, and I want to change the green screen and change the background. So first of all, I want the background tech background, so I download this image, sorry, this video. This is the video, and I place this video here, and you can see this is the video. Now I'm going to media, local, and place this green screen video here. And first of all, I show you the preview, and now we have to remove the green screen. So I am click on this, click on cutout, chroma key, color picker, and pick the green color, and now increase the strength, and this way, as you can see, our green color is removed, and you can see this is very smooth, and it shows some green part, so I am removing. I increase the strength to 25. I think it's enough, but and you can see yeah, now this look real. So you have to strength you have to stretch set the strength at 45. It's okay. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.